today we are discussing question and answers for N10-008. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Which of the following ports are associated with IMAP? Choose 2. Option A 25, option B 110, option 3 C 143, option D 587, option E 993 and option F 995. The correct answers are option C and E. The network administrator is trying to identify a device that is having issues connecting to a switch port. Which of the following would best help to identify the issue? Option A, a syslog server. Option B, change management records. Option C, a rack diagram. Option D, a security log. The correct answer is option A. A company with multiple routers would like to implement an HA network gateway with the least amount of downtime possible. The solution should not require changes to the gateway setting of the network clients. Which of the following should the technician configure? Option A, automate a continuous backup and restore process of the systems of the activity of the active gateway. Option B, use a static assignment at the gateway IP address of the network clients. Option C, configure DHCP relay and allow clients to receive new IP setting. Option D, configure a shared VIP and deploy VRRP on the routers. The correct answers are option D. Which of the following ports would allow secure connection to a Linux based system? Option A, SMB. Option B, FTP. Option C, RDP. Option D, SSH. The correct answer is option D. The network administrator is troubleshooting the communication between two layer 2 switches that are reporting a very high run count. After trying multiple ports on both switches, the issue persists. Which of the following should the network administrator perform to resolve the issue? Option A, increase the MTU size of both switches. Option B, recently the cable between the two, rectify the cable between the two switches. Option C, perform a factory reset on both switches. Option D, enable debug logging on both switches. The correct answer is option A. Users attending security training at work are advised not to use single words as password for corporate applications. Which of the following does the best protect against? Option A, an on path attack. Option B, a brute force attack. Option C, a dictionary attack. Option D, MAC spoofing. And option E, denial of service. The correct answer is option C. The network administrator needs to run a single command line tool capable of displaying routing table and multicast memberships. Which of the following would best help in the administrator achieve the requirements? Option A, ARP. Option B, show root. Option C, show configuration. Option D, net state. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following topologies requires the most connections when designing the network? Option A, mesh. Option B, star. Option C, bus. Option D, ring. The correct answer is option A. A technician is assisting over who cannot connect to a website. The technician attempts to ping the default gateway and the DNS server of the workstation. According to troubleshooting methodology, this is an example of option A divide and conquer approach, option B, gathering information, option C, a top to bottom approach, option D, implementing a solution. The correct answer is option D.